Let's face it, it's a great feeling when you receive exceptional service. It's even better when someone takes the time to acknowledge how much they appreciate the effort. Here's a look at one of our favorite 5-star reviews. We never get tired of seeing great posts about these types of experiences online. We're thrilled to know that we've made a lasting impression. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thanks for stopping by and watching our video. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.